Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. This video I will also show you how you can fix the error if you fail to create an Apple ID account on your iPhone or if you write that use too many times Apple ID record. Friends, be sure to like the video before starting our topic, write your comments after watching, and also subscribe to this channel. So we're going to get started. If you get a phone, maybe you bought it or it was given to you, then very often people face this problem when you try to create an Apple ID account. Now I'll show you where it is. You open up Settings, and at the top you see a line like this where you're prompted to create your Apple ID account. And very often, there are times when you try to create your account to register and lock your iPhone to you personally, but you can't do that because you get an error. Either it writes that you can't create an account, or it may write that you can't create an account because you've already used it too many times or created too many accounts. What does this mean? It means that more than 3 Apple ID accounts have been created on the iPhone in question. This is done by Apple itself to prevent people from creating many different fake accounts, to prevent fraud and so on. If you have faced such a problem, then, in principle, you can solve this problem. To do this, friends, I recommend that you first open, for example, Safari or Google browser and enter this search, Create an Apple Account. Next, click on the search and then go to the first site. You will get to open a page like this. Here, friends, you will find detailed instructions on how you can create an Apple ID account for yourself through your web browser. Also, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that here you can go to apple.com. And then you can create an account from there as well. If you suddenly do not understand how to do it, you can, I'm sure, easily contact some Apple Service Center, where you will be helped to make these steps. Dear friends, this is how you can fix the error if you can't create an Apple ID account on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget, friends, subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments. Bye-bye, everyone.